Good morning, students. Now we will see question number 8. Question 8 says, in a flower bed, 612 flower pots are arranged. Okay, so there are 612 flower pots. What are flower pots? Flower pots are like that. Okay, flower beds are like that. फ्लावर बेड मतलब एक के बाद एक आपके फ्लावर्स लगे होते हैं फ्लावर्स बेड में. So there are total 612 flowers pots. Okay, and they are arranged in 18 rows. So let me solve here. So students, total number of flower pots, how many? कितने flower pots हैं? Total there are 612 pots. Okay, and total number of rows are 18. Okay students, so what will be the total number of flowers in each pot, each row? So number of flowers, okay, number of flowers in each row we have to find. Okay, so let me draw a diagram here. So suppose there are total how many rows? There are total 18 rows. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, like that there are total how many rows? 18 rows. And in every row there are same number of flowers. Okay, there are same number of flowers, but we don't know how many flowers are there. Okay, so how will you find when you will divide 612 by 18? So let's find them. So number of flowers in each row will be 612 divided by what? 612 divided by 18. So let's reduce them. 2 9 times and 2 how many times? 306. So let's further divide them. 9 3 times 27 and again 4 times 36. So answer will be what? Answer will be 34. So there are total 34 flowers in each row. Okay, so there are total 34 flowers in each row. Like that students. सब में कितने हैं? सब में है 34 फ्लावर्स. ओके, सब में देखो यहाँ पे 34 फ्लावर्स हैं और 34 फ्लावर्स के कितने रोज हैं आपके टोटल? सो टोटल 34 फ्लावर्स के कितने रोज हैं? टोटल देर आर 18 रोज. ओके, देर आर 18 रोज. So this is your answer. Now, okay students, let's solve question number 9. Question 9 says, a shoe factory produces 22,010 pairs of shoes in the month of December 2015. How many pairs of shoes did the factory produce between January 2016 and March 2016? Okay, if it produces the same number of shoes each day. So students, shoe factory produced 22,010 pairs. Okay, in December. means in December there are total how many days? There are total 31 days. So in one day, it produced how much? 22,010 divided by 31. So let's divide them. Answer is 710. In one day it produced 710 shoes. So we have to say in between January 2016 and March 2016 there are total in January 2016 how many days? 31 days. And in February 2016 that total 29 days. And in March 2016 there were how many days? 31 days. Total how many days? Total there were 91 days. Okay students. So total there were 91 days. So in 91 days it produced 91 multiplied by 710. So answer is how much? 64,610. This is our answer. Okay students, so let's see question number 10th. Question 10 says an auto rickshaw driver charges rupees 25 for the first 2 kilometer. Okay, so an auto rickshaw driver charges rupees 25 for the first 2 kilometer. After that he or she, okay, we don't know she is girl or he is boy, so he or she charges a fixed amount for every kilometer. Rishi travels 10 kilometers. So Rishi travels how many kilometers? Rishi travels 10 kilometers. Okay, so buy an auto rickshaw and pays rupees 89. So what is the fixed amount charged by auto rickshaw driver per kilometer? सो पर किलोमीटर का हमको बताना है कितना चार्ज करता है. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट 2 किलोमीटर का वो चार्ज करता है कितना रुपए? फर्स्ट 2 किलोमीटर्स का चार्ज करता है ये, फर्स्ट 2 किलोमीटर का वो चार्ज करता है ₹25. ओके, एंड देन कितने किलोमीटर बच गए? रिमेनिंग किलोमीटर. तो बताओ 80 किलोमीटर उसने चार्ज कर लिया है, तो बाकी 8 रिमेनिंग किलोमीटर कितने हैं? 8 किलोमीटर. और तो रिमेनिंग किलोमीटर का कितना चार्ज किया उसने? 89 माइनस 25 इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच 464 चार्ज किया, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स इतने का उस क्या चार्ज करता है, इतने का वो चार्ज करता है ₹89 चार्ज करता है, ठीक है। और ये रिमेनिंग 8 किलोमीटर का वो चार्ज करता है, कितना करता है, कितना 64। सो फिक्स्ड अमाउंट चार्ज्ड बाय द ऑटो रिक्शा ड्राइवर, fixed amount charged by the auto rickshaw driver will be how much? So students, fixed amount charged by auto rickshaw driver will be 64 divided by 8. Okay, so it will be ₹8. ₹8 will be the answer. Okay students, शुरू का उसने फर्स्ट 2 किलोमीटर का ₹25 चार्ज किया, फिर रिमेनिंग 8 किलोमीटर का कितना चार्ज करेगा, वो चार्ज करेगा 89। ओके, रिमेनिंग किलोमीटर का वो चार्ज करेगा 64। सो 64 कितने किलोमीटर का चार्ज किया उसने, 8 किलोमीटर का, क्योंकि फर्स्ट 2 किलोमीटर का तो उसने 25 चार्ज कर लिया था और बाकी 8 किलोमीटर का चार्ज किया उसने 64। तो टोटल वो चार्ज करता है फिक्स्ड अमाउंट ₹8। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड। Question 11 is your homework students, and question 12 answer I have provided in PDF. Okay, I have written here answer and I have provided this answer to you in PDF, so it is very easy. Just go through this answer and you will understand. Okay, bye students.